Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuse for the passenger airbag disable indicator is located, stay with us, we'll explain where you can find that fuse. Now guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes. Why? Because if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, they can kill you guys. You can get seriously injured, guys. So consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Quick reminder for any of you that are qualified and certified to work on airbags: you need to disconnect and reconnect the car battery in certain sequence. You need to know which battery terminal to disconnect first, which battery terminal to connect first, and you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before working on airbag systems. Also, we will explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video, guys. So that will be, guys, our mission to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition, guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now, why we do that? To save you money, guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, now we'll demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion here where you can find the passenger airbag disable indicator fuse. Now we have multiple fuse boxes. We'll be working in one today. You have some hidden fuse boxes. Check out the video on our channel about fuse box location on Ford Fusion. It will teach you where you have multiple hidden fuse boxes. Come to the inside, guys. You see that trim on the bottom of the dash? It extends on the other side of the steering wheel. It has 4 clips, 1, 2 here and 2 like that on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, opens on the hinge deep inside the dash on the left side. You'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing, guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. Here, guys, you need to check one fuse only. Again, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. See these double fuses? We recommend to keep some spare ones, guys. Those are super hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you are out of the game if you don't have a replacement fuse, guys. So the fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 19, but you see fuse number 20 is right here, but that's actually 19 and 22 fuses integrated in one double fuse. So that section here, that's the one that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.